Hey everyone, it's your girl Princess Nini, and we are back to smash some more food today. So before we get started, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on so that way you don't miss a video every time I upload. And if you guys have been here before, welcome back. That would make you a royalty, baby, now wouldn't it? Royalty is loyalty. Today's menu is the seafood boil, and we did the infamous Bloves sauce. You probably cannot see it. Sorry, my finger was all in the camera. I've got hard-boiled eggs, a lobster tail, a 4-bite shrimp, and jumbo shrimp, and some snow crab clusters. And I've got my lemon. Thank you, girl. I've got my lemons right here. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get into the food. My friend is here, so this is going to be our first experience with Bloves sauce and see how this goes. I'm just kind of tilt it down some, just a little. There we go. Sorry, y'all. I'm all out of whack today. So I am going to say, before we even jump into this, I'm so mad because I made a video for y'all last night and my phone literally ran out of space and did not upload it. So I was full and everything and couldn't even share with y'all. I was so pissed. I was mad as hell. But we're going to go ahead and get started. This looks so good. I'm so excited. Oh my God. I guess I will start with a shrimp.
Oh yeah, that's hell.
Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Holy smokes. I'm so excited.
Yummy.
That's so disrespectful on so many levels. Oh my gosh. Damn. Yeah, this gonna get messy. Oh yes. And before I get all the way in, I do burp and smack, and there will definitely be some smacking going on today. So just definitely be prepared for that, y'all. This is my big baby. I'm gonna hold on to him. I'm gonna wait on that. I'm gonna wait on that.
Him built.
We'll wait on that. I'm gonna get down here and get all the good stuff. Can't forget my lemon rain. I tried to get all the seeds out, so hopefully I did all right.
You did fine. Just fine.
Yo.
These are so freaking good.
That's fucking nuts. Excuse my language. Oh yeah.
So whose sauce you say this is again?
Bloves sauce.
Yeah, it's bomb.
The infamous Bloves.
She's bomb. This is bomb.
Yeah, she did this.
Yeah, I love her sauce. Really good.
Oh my God. Let me my beer. Shit. No, I need the cold one for this.
Where's that?
In the fridge.
I got you.
Thank you. Yo, y'all. This is crazy. This is my lobster tail. I just did a little baby one. But I cannot. This is so fucking... Excuse my language. I am so sorry, y'all.
It's really good, though.
Like, I'm trying to get all the
it's
seasonings.
like the right type of everything.
But they're like in the clusters.
There you go.
Thank you.
Where you want to put it?
Yeah, that's fine.
There you go.
Oh my goodness. I'm really trying to get the onions on there. My hands is messy. I don't give a shit. Yo, all my seasonings is at the very bottom. I'm trying to get it, y'all.
I know.
Okay, there we go. Oh, that's some good stuff. There we go.
I'm tearing up these little shrimp things, but I'm about to bust up in this crab though.
Me too.
But,
Just slide that over. Sorry, y'all.
I'm sorry.
You're alright. My goodness.
This is really good, yo.
And I did the shrimp perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
I thought I overcooked them because I did it all in the same pot. So, of course, you know the crab legs go longer than shrimp and lobster.
Mm-hmm.
So I waited before I added them, but I thought for sure I overdid it because when I took it off the stove, it was still cooking in that hot water. But that came out perfect. Let me get into one of these.
This is so bomb.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I only did half a teaspoon of the seasonings because I wasn't too sure how it was gonna feel, and I obviously wasn't trying to. Oh snap! We in there. So I wasn't trying to overdo it and stuff, but I will more than likely do I'll more than likely do the tablespoon of the seasons next time for sure.
Yo, this is so good.
Isn't it?
Yes. But however you do it, it's delicious.
Y'all know I've been wanting my damn crab too, so I was just like, you know what? Today. And they went up so much on the king crab though. I was kind of mad about that.
What? How much they normally run for?
Oddly enough, back when I used to get them from the Albertsons, they used to be $16.99 a pound, and then they would drop down to $13 sometime on sale. Not now.
They weigh more than
$24.99.
Oh shit!
I told them they could kiss my ass just because they wasn't that big. Like, I'm not cheap. If it's something I want, I'm gonna get it. But they wasn't that big for me to be not spending that kind of money.
Right.
No.
It's so good though.
I'm gonna go ahead and taste this egg.
Yeah, it's good.
Look at all that. Okay. I understand.
What?
I get it.
Yo. Gotta use my fingers.
Ooh. This is illegal.
It should be.
It's not allowed. This is not allowed. I promise. Now I see why she said do unsalted butter, because you can only imagine.
Oh, yeah.
And then too.
Yeah.
But see, and I think why we probably still don't even have the full effect for real, because I could not find accent salt anywhere.
Right. Okay, well, for the parts that you do have together, it's good.
For that, I didn't put no salt at all, which is okay. Which is okay. But, y'all, when I tell you, I'm about to be fucking excited. I'm about to get excited. Oh, come on, don't do it. I know some of y'all are probably wondering, why is my friend not on camera? She's not for it. But she is here for the conversation and discussion.
Just really, I'm camera shy.
Maybe one day, but not today, guys.
But I'm here for it though.
That part.
Y'all can hear me.
That part. I refuse.
But
look, I refuse
for
it to come out broken. I refuse for it to come out all the way like that.
Hold it.
I was about to get mad as shit.
Oh my.
Oh man. Put some lemon.
I'm over here
down
like
in there. Stop playing with myself.
Ain't that how they be doing? Let me give one them legs.
This is like super fire. Like, for real. For real, for real. Like, I'm happy as shit. You have no idea. I was supposed to say my baby is shrimp and it's all in the song. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. My bad. My bad. I'm sorry.
Oh, God, Lynn.
I'm sorry.
Y'all, if y'all see what's on my shirt right now.
I wasn't trying to do that.
Man, it's going down in here, seriously.
Hey, at least you got on black.
Oh, man, at least, but you know.
I'm so sorry, though. That was
I ain't tripping.
I mean, accident. You already know.
It's just one of my, what you call it, shirts anyway. Just wear it outside.
Oh, my God. Y'all, you have no idea how happy I am right now.
My hands is like,
I've got to get to a Sam's Club or a Costco soon, so I can get them big crab legs.
Oh my goodness.
And oh shit, I get so mad when that happens. I swear I do.
I mean, I don't see how you getting yours out all perfectly, and mine ain't coming out like that at all.
Girl, please.
It's a struggle over here.
It's a struggle over here too.
Look at that. Oh. And like, no, you gotta fight for this meat.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I'm hoping and praying I don't manage to get a guest, you guys, to come upstairs while I'm doing this.
What are the odds? Dun dun dun.
Yeah, especially my damn popping up boyfriend.
And that will be a real.
Okay.
This is so good. Miss Be Lovely. My Be Lovely.
Tom. I'm proud to be one. Show Liam. Let me get into this lobster and stop playing.
Ooh.
I didn't cut it down the back. It was not necessary, y'all. This shell is easy to get into. So that's how we gonna do it. I'm sorry. I know. I'll invest in some shears, y'all. I forgot to take my damn ring off. You know how shit goes sometimes. It be like that sometimes, y'all.
I remember I used to have these years ago. It's been a while.
Ooh. Yes. I know this damn thing is so little. Look at that little guy.
You like, help.
He's like, don't eat me.
My back.
It's cracking. I don't got no sense.
Literally.
I don't got no sense, y'all. I really don't.
Hell, who does?
I be sitting there looking like I'm just so sweet and all that kind of stuff. I'm the goofiest motherfucker.
No sense in having sense when you're having fun.
Yo. Now I'm getting myself.
Let that sink in.
Hey. I know he little, y'all. It's okay. It's alright.
He's that poor little tink tink.
I'm the only one eating them, so fuck it. Oh my God. I just know. Excuse me. Oh my God. That's about to be so fire. So, oh shit. Soak in there.
I got a feeling.
that tonight's gonna be a good night.
Tonight's
Because it definitely is.
gonna be a good night.
Oh, shit. Mm-mm. Holy shit. Want a bite?
Nah.
You have a bite.
Nah. Tear that thing
You
up.
can have a bite. It's okay. I don't mind. I like to share, as you can see.
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure? Because I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
I'm sure.
You gotta take a little bite.
Alright, I'll take a little bite.
That shit flamey. Ooh. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Ooh, shit. So good. Ha!
That girl.
Okay. She said, I can tell you on that one. Don't mind that. Her phone.
Oh yeah, my bad, y'all.
I'm a whole mess. I'm so sorry, y'all. I really am. And then it don't help I'm so damn small.
It's okay.
I need a better seat. I'm sorry. Yo, did you try them eggs too?
Girl. I tore that egg up. Might tear up them two right now. I'll eat eggs. They're good to me.
I don't even need them with that.
For real, for real.
That's crazy. Oh shit.
You okay?
With them damn seasoning.
Ooh, I know this is some good. Man, that's some good stuff right here.
Ain't it? Oh my god. Now I see why y'all be talking about them damn boiled eggs so much. Shit.
Thanks for inviting me. This is really delicious.
You're welcome.
Really appreciate it.
Ooh. Oh shit, excuse me. That one was from the heart though, for real.
I know you meant it
So
well.
good.
You meant it. You meant that.
My bad. My bad, y'all. For real. Look at that.
You're serious. Oh shit! I'm so sorry.
Payback's a
sorry.
motherfucker, ain't it?
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
She got me back, y'all. She got me back.
I wasn't trying.
Yes, she was. Yes, she was, y'all.
Oh my goodness! You just ripped his back off like that.
I know. That was rude. Sorry, little guy.
Oh, babe.
Little
Stop.
big guy.
Yeah.
Little big guy.
He said, "Ow,
Ah!
my back."
Oh, excuse me.
I'm sorry, y'all. That wasn't right. So.
This is us on the regular, though.
Yeah, actually, yeah. I don't
Excuse
care
me.
though. I'm enjoying myself.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, is that a claw?
Mm-hmm. All right, claw meat.
Mm-hmm.
This damn shrimp. Oh my god.
I don't even understand right now.
Okay.
I'm trying to drip it in all over the place.
Oh girl, whatever. I clean it up.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. It's so rude.
Mm.
Oh, fucking good.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
That's it right there, buddy. Feel like I'm getting caught red-handed.
I'm getting full. Ain't that a bitch?
No.
Shit. Mm-mm.
Now this might be a little bit harder to get into.
Oh shit. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this rice and I'm probably gonna be done. I'm full of shit. My bad.
It's all good though. I love the claw. The claw.
I love the claws too. And what they call this right here, I guess some of them be calling it the knuckle. I never really found out what the hell this was called. But I like it.
I like it a lot.
I like it, buddy.
So wrong.
But I don't want to be right.
I sure don't. Not right now.
Oh, shit. Honey child. When I tell you.
When you
Damn.
got it all
Over ya.
in the palm of your hands.
That part. Preach.
It just
Oh.
bless you.
Sorry, y'all. My bad.
Bless you.
Thank you. Okay. Oh.
Oh. Let it go.
Oh. Almost. Stop whoever's coming up my damn stairs. Watch it not even be my stairs. I knew it. I knew that was gonna happen. Oh. I'm full. Shit, buddy. That's tremendous. And I didn't, excuse me, I just steamed these. I didn't put no seasoning or nothing. Because I wanted the full effect of the beloved sauce.
Well, she did that.
Yeah, she did. Yes, she did.
You did a really good job making it too. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Because this is very delicious. Like, seriously.
Well, thank you. I appreciate you. Glad to have you here.
Glad to be here. You see me.
I hate her. Hey, remember that song?
What's that? Go for it. Go for it. How go?
I don't remember.
Damn.
I just knew it was High Haters after that.
High Haters.
High Haters.
Oh, that's what's his name?
I can't even remember.
Fudge. It's so messed up because I know I can see this dude in my head singing it too.
Was it Mims? Was it what?
Nah.
Oh shit! I give up.
See, now I'm gonna want to look. Ah!
Oh no!
Dun, dun, dun.
No! You better blow that shit and eat
Girl.
it.
It's considered blowed. No. You come with me if you want to live.
Okay, I can't do it no more before I make myself sick.
Wow.
I'm full.
Okay,
I'm
well.
full.
Say bye-bye to the puppies. Bye, 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 bye. Y'all, for real, this is really delicious.
Oh, shit.
We ain't really talk that much, but hey, who cares?
I'm sorry, y'all. This was more like a review type of mukbang.
Yeah. Like, is it an A+? It's an A+.
I said my teeth, I'm sorry.
We was going right there.
But,
man.
this is so delicious. And I got full quick as hell. So I got excited. Shit. Oh, well. It was worth it. Again, you guys, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share. Let me know what you guys thought. Again, feel free to give suggestions, anything. Oh, I missed you guys, but I'm trying to come with the videos a little bit more back-to-back than usual. So I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys keep sticking with me. I love all my royalty babies and all my new ones to come and join the fam. And we'll see you back here next time to Smash Food with Nene yet again. Bye.